Get out.
Yeah, what are they for? It's like interesting too, so I'm not just, basically, you don't need to do it. And then also,
That is proper. That's a right proper job, isn't it?
We're 40 years without it.
Yeah. If somebody knows it, how much you like? Seen it on these social medias.
Bye.
How many people get out of that? People think you're massively cruising. How do you do that? Right.
Did you bring your own stuff or do you ours? One second. No, this is our, yeah. That's it then. Thank you, New. Not a problem.
Yeah.
And do you want to ask for that transit ordering, or are you going to let me know? Thank you, will it?
You're going to put windows in that transit anyway?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Back
You need
windows.
to ask him about the
Sorry.
one steering wheel. Same thing.
If we put it there, where's that hot bump for the sink?
Can't get it open and can we full glass?
Not at the back, I don't think. I'll ask him, but I don't think they do a slide at the back. I'll have a look.
The little one up here.
I'll see what they do. On extra wireless. I'll have a look. So that's definitely one.
We're not sure. Oh, I actually that's what it looks like.
Right, okay. But you didn't set them out and put window in, but then you what the objects? I mean, some people do want rubbish on the inside and the lot through the side of the street.
Yeah. So that's the other box. This side. This is not where.
That.
No, other place. It's anyway.
Do you just want to fix glass this side, or do you want to open in one side? Slice me in the same.
Open that. See better. Just the same as that. So let's go. Same as that. That wood bed. You know.